Here is the Proto2 engine. The sounds are not quite right. The battery is not the cause. So now I'm going to attempt to swap out speakers with, over here I have a Proto 1 Pennsylvania K4 tender. The board on this thing is shot. It runs for like a minute or less, and then something heats up and it shuts down. It's been sent to MTH years ago, and they fixed it temporarily, but said if it was gonna happen again, it was shot. Well, I'm gonna try to replace that speaker, and then here's the volume control, which seems to be a lot better in this Proto Sounds tender, Proto 1, versus what's in this one, which is just a little plastic thing. Is not very good. See it there on the bottom. So if it's not the speaker, it may be this other little adjustment, which is right here. I may have to drill new holes in the bottom of the tender in order to get this to fit, but I'm hoping the speaker is the problem. Stay tuned.